So the day is finally here, the day we all have been waiting for. Well, the day I have been waiting for. I'm finally relaunching my blog, blogsbytosh.com, and I thought, why don't I kill two birds with one stone and take you guys along with me so I can give you a little tutorial and show you how to set up a web host and get your domain name. And hopefully that can possibly relieve any anxieties or reservations you are having about starting your blog and show you that almost anyone can do this and it is just that easy. So come along with me and let's get right to it. So after doing much research, I chose to use Siteground as my web host. And Siteground is affiliated with WordPress.org, so that means it's a self-hosted blog, which is great. And we are going to use the WordPress hosting options. And as you can see, there's 3 main options you can choose from, anywhere ranging from $2.99 to $7.99. However, they are having a sale right now, so I suggest you take advantage of that. But for my blog, I am gonna go with the startup option, but I highly suggest choosing the plan based on your website needs, and that can look different for everyone. So I'm going to choose the startup plan, and I'm going to register my domain name. And with this, you can see that you have many options for the top level domain, which is the last .com, that part of your domain. So it could be .blog, .edu, .org, but for me, I use .com. Just make sure you use the one that makes the most sense for your blog. And if you already have a domain name, you can register it as well. You don't have to get a new domain name. And your domain name will be charged separately. So now we're going to proceed to the next step. And the next step is where you pretty much finalize your purchase of the web host, and this is where you put in all of your personal information and your payment information. But obviously I'm not going to show you that because I don't want you to know where I live and I don't want you to have my card information. But one thing I will let you know is the price that I paid, and I am going to choose domain privacy. Whenever you buy a domain name, always get domain privacy, no matter what, web host or what website you're registering your domain through. And as you saw, the price was only $65, so it's not that bad. So after I put in all my personal information, you see the total came out to $65.87 for the year. So I purchased a year plan, and all I'm going to do is agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and we are ready to go. And we are so we are officially a part of the Siteground family and team. And I do have a link in the description to Siteground if you want to check it out. I highly recommend them. They come highly reviewed. So now I'm just going to log in using my the email and password that I just created. And now here we are at the Siteground dashboard. And as you can see, this is how the setup looks, and we're just going to scroll down just so you get a complete and clear understanding of how everything is formatted and set up. And we're going to scroll back to the top, and this is where we are going to start to really get into the details of setting up our domain and our website. So first thing is first, you are going to need to click on view domain, and as you see, you need to verify your domain name, and it says please check your email to verify your domain name when you click on it. So we're going to go to our email that I signed up with through Siteground, and we're just gonna go click on the email that says verification required, and I already did the steps to this, so that's why there's nothing there. But usually you click in and you would just click on a link that will take you back to verifying your domain. And after you verify the domain, you will get brought to the separate page that you see, and then you go back and you just click refresh status again, and you will see that your domain name has been verified and you are all ready to go as far as setting up your domain registration and verification. Now, when you go to the services tab and you click on hosting, this is a very helpful feature because you can actually see your hosting plan and the expiration date. So for this, I'm just going to show you how to change the appearance from light screen to dark screen, or from dark screen to light screen. So you just click on the tab of your profile, and then you go to appearance, and then you scroll down, and then you see the options for light screen, dark screen, and the in-between. And that's how you do that.